और ये हम ऑफ रोडिंग करते हुए, ये ऑफ रोड, दिस इज नॉट ऑफ रोड बट दिस इज अ रोड अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन, राइट? But yeah, feels really great. Okay, so today we have the Thar Rocks with us. This is the 20 I mean the first batch, the first booked and got delivered in December 2024. This is the key lock. And this is a 4x4, very first 4x4 in Odisha, in Bhubaneswar, I can say. Let's start with the wheels. This is a 19-incher, 260/65 R19 as a section. Here is the branding. These are the accessories that we have got. This is the stepper, red color. The calipers are red. This is a sturdy footstep. Few more accessories that we've got is this light. We got it from Ludhiana. And then these lighters. This one. This is the backlight. These are few more. No, don't blink. Okay. This is the spare wheel. This is another stepper.
It's a Pro Man.
Yep, Pro Man. Red calipers again. This is the front. And if you look down, this is the dash plate, which is completely of iron. Looks really great. This has been driven for around 9,000 some change, 10,000 kilometers for now. Yep, unlocked. Let's see the interiors. White seats, of course. I know these gets dirty very soon, but this can be cleaned. I know you would have seen Mahindra's ad, but yes, they say the truth. This is the sunroof. This is an automatic 4x4. Let's get inside. Okay, this is the first one. And then we'll look at the second. Comfortable for a family of 4 or 3. Or a nuclear 1. 2 is fine. If you have 5 also, I do not have a problem. But yeah, comfortable car. Let's get inside. Huh? Switch it on. Okay, sorry about that. This is the automatic gearbox, and this is the 4x4 knob. We haven't tried it yet. I think it should work absolutely fine with all the reviews that I've seen. Looks really great from the inside. And then this is the AC that we have got in, and this is the our dashboard. This is the screen. I don't know whether it is an 8 or a 10 inches. I think this is 8. The entire screen is 10 inches. And of course, the iconic industries. I mean, Taz or Mahindra is one of the largest panoramic sunroof. Looks really great. Look at the sun, it's shining bright today. And we are at 9:12 a.m. in the morning. Okay. Let's take a small drive. Seatbelts on. Okay. This is the 360 camera that gets switched on when you start the car. And if you look at the odo very carefully, it's 9,990. Yeah, this is a 360 camera. Yeah, so good. Where are we going? Is the cricket over?
Yeah, it's over.
Shall we take a drive inside the field?
Yeah, you can go inside.
Okay, let's go. Small, very small batch of off-road today. Yeah, look at it. Driving is absolutely pleasure and very easy to drive this car. The vision is extremely great, having the complete wide screen. You're sitting at large at a very tall space on this car, and you'll have really great time while driving this. Right now we're driving very slow, I think at 9 or 10, and we have somebody off-roading inside the field as well with his bike. Yeah, it's a huge panoramic sunroof, one of the largest in this category. Yes, thank you. So in terms of drivability, it's really great, I would say. Huge pipes over here. This is the mirror. It's extremely wide, and this is the handlebar. I don't know, if you're driving, why should you even hold it here? It's given unnecessary, I would say. They could have saved it and they could have given it here. It's blank, it doesn't look good. And these are the switches for your panoramic.
So why don't you give a review? You had 6,000 kilometers, right? A trip.
Yeah. Where did we go?
It was Kanyakumari, right?
Yeah, it was Kanyakumari. Yeah, it was a really great drive. We do not have any videos from that trip though. We missed our camera that day. But still. Alright. In terms of reliability also, I would say really just 2 months old, but really reliable. You can take it anywhere, you can go anywhere, comfortable drive. The only catch is for tall peoples, you'll have a great time also sometime later during the day. However, short people also will have a good time. I mean, in fact, every height people can see. The vision is really clear, if you can see, right? And service is cheap, not that very costly, but yeah, in terms of
It's not cheap as well.
yeah, not cheap, not
You have
very
to pay
cheap.
26 lakhs for it. It's not a small amount.
Yeah. Service, we were talking about service.
Yeah, service is cheap.
Yeah, service is cheap.
What was the service amount? It was somewhere like 5,600.
Yes,
The
yes.
second service. you
Second
paid,
service,
right?
yes. Very cheap. These are the switches again for traction control, auto hill hold, and auto start stop, and crawl, and lights, and differential lock, and everything else. Yeah, okay. These are another wiper switches. This is adjustment of light. These are the AC controls and whatnot. We have a differential lock here as well. And both ventilator seats. It doesn't have an indicator though. You will not know whether the ventilator is off or not. You just feel the air from your back.
From here.
And from the screen as well. Oh my god, that's a great feature that we have here. Alright, okay.
You can see a ventilator activated.
Yes,
It's
ventilator
three
is
dots.
activated with 3 dots here and that side as well. Very nice, nice. We were not expecting this, but as you can see, I am seeing this for the very first time. Mahindra, what have you done? Okay, alright. That's it for now. I think you guys have a great day, week of the day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, or any day or night, whenever you're watching this. You guys have a great time. Adios.